Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how I did my hairstyle. This is the basic style, and with this how different 5 types of hairstyles you can do. It's a similar my hair doesn't hold French plaits often because I have a very silky hair, so it comes out very easily, and I have layers, so that will not hold much. So because of that I do this type of hairstyle. It is similar to French braids, and I'm doing this for I did this for my engagement, I did this for my marriage, so it's a very easy and simple one. Without further delay, come on, let's start seeing doing the hairstyle. First, detangle your hair nicely, and now I'm going to take a small section on the top part of my head. Comb it well, and with rubber band I'm going to secure it like a ponytail. Use a nylon rubber band so that will not hurt your hair. It will be easy to remove too. So make sure the pony is in the center of your head, because this is the guidance for your next layers of the ponies. So now I'm going to take a small section just like French braids. Don't take the center of the part, just the sides, and like you take for braids. Now secure the same with the rubber band. Make sure the pony is again in the straight line. Hold the hair nicely and secure it with nylon hair ties. So make sure it is straight. So you can see the gap in between. I'm going to flip the pony inside out through the gap. So it's simple as that. It's a very simple and cute hairstyle. I do this all the time when I need. So let's do it again. Again I'm going to take a small section of hair from both sides. Make sure there is no detangles. Secure the hair with nylon ties. We call it rubber band, right? It's a nylon material, so when you remove it, it will not hurt your hair. So again, flipping inside out, and that's it. You can leave it as such. This is simple as that. Very cute. It is suitable for all types of dresses. You can leave it like that. The second one is like you can use a claw clip and secure the hair. Third one is, instead of claw clip, you can use a clip like this. I call it lot of clips, right? Use a clip like that, a big one or a decorative one, to make the hair fancy, and it's so cute. And the fourth one is, I'm again going to do the same pony and the layer. You can do how much ever layer you want. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to repeat it again. Secure the hair with the hair tie and flip it inside out. I did this for my engagement, for my marriage. Whenever I don't want the hair to fly away, don't want to lose my hairstyle, I do this type of one. Basically I like the French braids, and I'm going to do a normal braid as such. Again at the end, secure your hair with the hair tie. You can decorate the small ponies with or fancy rubber bands or anything. And the fifth one is, I'm going to put a loose pony. Gather all the hair, loose pony. So you can see where I'm going to tie the hair. And again do the flipping. So take partition all the hair in the pony, flip it inside out. If you want, you can leave it here. I'm going to do another. I'm going to again secure the hair with another rubber band and do the same. So that's it. It's simple and very fast. And there is a bonus one, the sixth type. If you don't want all your hairs to fall in the back, just make a bun. That's all. So this will be good for your saris or all traditional salwars and everything. You can decorate it with a flower. I hope you like this video. See you all in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.